My name is Dr. Justin Tunis, and I'm the Program Director for the Geisinger Northeast Primary Care Sports Medicine Fellowship. We accept candidates from all of the major primary care specialties, so that includes family medicine, internal medicine, pediatrics, physical medicine and rehabilitation, as well as emergency medicine. And so really what our goal is to train a very well-rounded fellow in all aspects of sports medicine with a particular interest in really teaching foundational musculoskeletal ultrasound. During the week, our fellows will spend most of their time in an orthopedic clinic, and in that clinic they'll spend time with primary care sports medicine docs, orthopedic surgeons, and a wide variety of subspecialties. And then usually, later on in the evenings and sometimes on weekends, they'll get the chance to cover athletic events, and they may be football games, they may be professional baseball games, professional ice hockey games, or mass coverage events such as marathons and bike races. I think one of the strongest things that we have at Geisinger is a really well-rounded faculty who's really engaged in teaching primary care sports medicine. So we have great buy-in from our orthopedic surgery colleagues, and that really provides a wide sort of foundation of education that our fellows can grab from. So one of the main highlights of our program here at Geisinger is the musculoskeletal ultrasound curriculum that we offer. I think we really have some unique opportunities here in the way that we teach musculoskeletal ultrasound, and we feel that ultrasound is really the foundation upon which sports medicine will grow in the future, and so we really make it a point to make sure that our fellows are trained to be able to perform diagnostic and interventional procedures with musculoskeletal ultrasound.